Good evening, folks, or morning, I should say. It's 12:02 a.m. Wednesday, September 27th, 2017. What I have today is a Galaxy table fan, or desk fan. You may have seen a very similar fan of mine at one point in time, but these are two entirely different fans. I'm hoping to put them together and get the good parts out of both, and make one functional, decent fan and another still functional, just not aesthetically as pleasing. This has a chip on the blade right here. And the clips are gone, so they have them attached with these zip ties. So it was a habitat find, just a cheap habitat find. I couldn't pass it up. Start off on slow. Okay, I have to secure the electrical connection a little bit here. There we go. Plug came out. That's why it was lacking in power. Pick it up to medium. It doesn't seem to oscillate very much, so I'm just going to set it back to its original setting. And fast. It was a decent amount of air. I want to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please check out more of my fan videos here on the Fancave, and check out my Facebook page of the same name. Feel free to send me a friend request. My name is Mark Wilson. Thanks for watching. Good night and good luck.